Okay guys, we're filming from the roof of the Piggly Wiggly and Grandpa Jack's hobby shop here. Just finished the Tsunami. This is an 1100, which is the micro decoder, or smaller sized decoder for HO locomotives. It's a heavy steam. Just finished this in 2906. This is an Overland Models one. This one I painted. I will never do another one again. I've done 4 or 5 of them, and no more. I don't have any momentum or deceleration programmed into it, just because my layouts. I just got a little short test track right here that I'm running on, so I don't want any momentum in it. Got a little squeak. I got to find a. Pretty sure it's in the lead truck. Needs a drop of oil. The decoder and the speaker are in the boiler itself. I didn't use a boiler barker. I was going to, and then I remembered that the weight, you can't remove the weight to get the barker up front. So I used a ESU set that's 2 15mm, 16mm rounds in their own enclosure. And I did turn this down from full volume, so it's a little bit quieted down even. I didn't do a headlight because I had the marker, or the MV lens that fit. The only thing that's not in the boiler is the Keep Alive, and it's in the tender. Now the tender on these you can't get into. They solder them all together from the factory. So the only thing I did was I had to drill a hole in the floor of the coal bunker. There's an existing hole underneath that I could run the wires through, and it's got a 2-pin connection between the two. That's the only modification I had to do to make this thing have a sound decoder and a Keep Alive. As you can see, it's pretty smooth on 28 speed steps. This one is not mine. This one's going to a customer. There you go, guys. Hope you enjoy it.